Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ming. Today I'm going camping. This is my first trip with this camper van. I'm so excited. And right now I'm getting some grocery shopping before I leave. Alright, I got everything prepared and I'm ready to go. The place I'm going to today is called Huguenot Memorial Park, located in Jacksonville, Florida. It's a one-of-a-kind park with access to the San Juan River and the Atlantic Ocean. Finally, I'm here. It looks great. Beautiful. I'm so excited. Wow, I'm here on the beach. Look at how beautiful it is. You can take a long beach walk. The cool thing is that you can cruise or park your car on the beach and enjoy your meal right in front of Atlantic Ocean. Right now I'm going to prepare my lunch on the beach right in front of Atlantic Ocean. here is the camping ground. Wow, this is a fantastic view. It's a wonderful place to stay. I will stay here overnight, and you can connect the power to your camper van so you don't have to worry about you running out the battery.
Alright guys, thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. I see you soon.